All right. Let's get to it. What's up, guys? Good morning. How we doing? Fun morning. I told you guys. I did tell you guys. I told you guys on the live stream on Saturday. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, let's start off with the music. Let's do the music. Let's start over though. Good morning, guys. Good morning. What's up, mama? So hopefully you guys are paying attention to energy stocks, oil, things like that. What's up? Good morning, Night Owl. What is going on with the screen here? What did it do? What did it do? Let's see. Because I see it jacked it up on TikTok yet again. I keep forgetting what I do to fix it. Let's see. Where was it? Where was it? Is it this one? Yes, it's this one. It's crazy how it does this every freaking time. It does this all the time. It's annoying. Yep. There's that. All right, let's see here. This always does this stupid thing. So annoying. Super duper annoying, guys. Let's see. I have it set up, and then it screws it up, and then I have to set it up again, and then it screws it up again. Let's see. We want it close up, but we want to see the date and time. I believe that's that one that I touched right there. All right. Sorry, guys. I did not catch that when oh yeah, actually we want it all the way open because we want to see the charts. We don't care about the other stuff. I think that's it. I think it's fixed. All right. I think we can get it a little closer though. Maybe. What do you guys think? I think we can get it closer. All right, let's see. Start with right about there. How did I have it? I think I had it like that, right? No, like that. Well, shit. Whatever. We'll jack with it later. As long as it's working. As long as you guys can see the charts, everything's good. All right, Battle went for a nice little run today. So far, I was asleep naturally. TPET jumped in. I thought it was a breakout. It did not break out. It decided to sucker me back in. It went up for like a couple pennies and then came back down. That's no big deal. Small positions, nothing crazy. Keeping it light. Keeping it light. I don't care if if everyone's saying it's gonna go nuts, it's gonna go nuts. Good morning, backhoes. What's up? Hey, J Rock wanted to ask, should I take profit if I gain 29%? uh I can't tell you to take I can't tell you to I cannot tell you that, hey, yeah, take it then and there. I always say if you're green and you're okay with it, take it. It's up to you, man. More than likely, profit's good, right? I'd say like 99% of the time. All right. All right, let's look at some other stuff here. I saw this one's starting to move. Where'd she go? Did it disappear on me? Damn it. So there was one that kind of started flopping around. Decided not to do much, but there's possibility. Once my brain starts functioning better, I'll be able to tell you guys which one that was. Right now, Battle's trying. Hopefully, you guys had a good weekend. I had a pretty good weekend. Hung out with the kids, watched some flag football. My son was playing. That was cool. What's up, guys? What's up? USEG coming back down. TPET, if you remember that one, we played that one several times. Watch list is kicking ass today. If you guys were on the live, let's see, on Saturday, you would have seen this text right here. This is referring to what is the trap? How do the algos get us? How does the market get us? Because remember, the market is not, it's not in our favor. It's not in our favor. That's why so many people lose at playing the market. So the market is absolutely structured to exploit over trading, FOMO, revenge trading, holding losers, and ignoring dilution, trading narratives instead of structure. Most retail fails because of that. Okay, just want to make you guys aware that whenever you guys sit down in the morning at your computers to look at stocks, just be aware of those things, and that in general should protect you. There we go. Come on now. There we go. Come on now. A little expensive for me. That's why I've only got 10 shares of it. Look at Battle go. Look at it push. Just got to be patient and calm and collected. Once you lose your patience and you're calm, you're dead in the water. So 1268 is the highest it's been today. Right now, I got Debbie in the back of my head yelling at me, saying, J-Rock, take your profit. J-Rock, take your profit. J-Rock, take your profit. So there's 24 of you in here. Hey, what's up, Cardinal? Thank you for the hearts, me appreciate it. There's 24 of you in here. Looks like people don't know that I'm on. I don't know what's going on. YouTube, there are 2 people in that I see. I'm sure there's like 1 or 2 more that are kind of taking a break. Hey, there she is. Take green, take green. You know, that's not a bad idea. I think I might. I think I might. You know, at least half, right? I'll take half at least. Let's go take some money. Let's scalp some profit. We'll take 5 off. There we go. We just took some profit. We're down to 5 shares left. There we go. We just scalped a little bit of profit. That's right, guys. And for YouTube, you guys are going to wake up. Here we go. I don't know how to add the sound to the take profit thing. Well, I mean, I guess I could make it into a video, maybe. I don't know, but whatever. Theatrics, right? That's all it is. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you, Cardinal. That's right. Let's go. Let people know that I'm on because they don't know I'm on. All right. So I'm gonna, I'm playing around with TPET. It's 100 shares. It's not that much. 89 dollars or 86 bucks, whatever. But keep an eye out for, like I said, defense stocks, drone stocks, oil, energy, that kind of stuff. It's usually a good idea to keep an eye on those when we start doing things with Iran. Sending them the little care packages with what's that, the pew pew powder, lots of it. Yeah, it's a scary world we live in, and things got heated up rather quickly there. I'm looking for other things that are possibly moving. I'm gonna go ahead and change the music for you guys here because I know you people on TikTok, you love your music. I finally got the website to work after a couple hours of beating myself over the head with going, why is this not working? Confetti care packages, yes. Fireworks. They were fireworks. Yes, they got fireworks sent to them to their front door. They didn't even have to open the package. Dun, 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 dun. Oh man, I gotta sign into my music. Come on. It sucked. Oh, that's sucky. Yes, that's right. I said sucky. Ooh, I forgot I set this up. Tell me it works just like that. Oh, that'd be great. That works just like that. How beautiful is that? Heck yeah. And there's 10 people in the YouTube. Let's go, guys. Look at Battle go. Mm-mm-mm. Keep on making me little tiny bits of money. See, it's times like these I wish I had a gazillion dollars in my account and I wasn't afraid to trade big on the lives. Yes. So that's what happened, by the way. I don't know, I got scared to trade on the lives, like trade, you know, big on the lives. So there's Battle. There she goes. We've been waiting. We got it. I got in right around that volume weighted average price, just a little under. And I was waiting for that breakout. And there she goes. What's up, Thomas? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. If you guys can, I know it's hard to do sometimes, especially when we're, sitting here watching the world go mad. Uh-huh. Do, 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 do. All right, look at it go. Let's see, is she gonna break that 1268? Looky here. Oh boy, am I glad this one was on the watch list. Oh gosh. Yep. Yep. Oil stocks, energy stocks, battle. We've been talking about battle now for a little bit because, well, Trump has been talking about playing, having a sword fight with Iran. So, all right. So I got into my music now. I just got to play it. The music. There we go. And I am going to play a fun little song here. And I know you all are going to appreciate the shit out of it. Oh, while I'm playing around, while I'm playing around, it hit 1293 and then came back down to 1140. This is a great song. Oh, you know what? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, we're going country. Ah, there we go. Whee! All right. So let's keep on going. Keep on looking here. Make sure my volume's not too high. We're good there. Let's see, how is it doing? Indo was another good one that did some good stuff today. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm looking, guys. There's just, I mean, there's stuff moving, but it's just kind of teetering on the healthy side. And a lot of them are just going to be fake outs. Just so you guys keep that in mind. A lot of the stocks today are gonna be fake outs. Come on, TPET. Let's go. You do the same thing. Break out a little bit here. For those of you that are on the watch list, how many of you went over the stuff that I sent out on Saturday, early Saturday morning, literally right after I found out that that Trump did what he did and decided to go ahead and literally right after I found that out. Yo, what's up, man? How you doing, Andy? What's up, Captain? Captain did good. Good, good, good. Did you find it? Did you find it? There you go, buddy. Hey, I appreciate your family, man. Fireballs for Captain. Fireballs for Captain in the chat. Or you know what? Or American flags. Either one. Fireballs or American flags. Either one. Whatever you want to do. Hang on, hang on. There's another one I wanted to play. The info you posted was fantastic. Thanks, man. Thank you. There we go. Night Owl sends fireballs on YouTube for you, Captain. And the reason that I did that is because I wanted you guys to kind of look at your own stuff. I wanted I wanted you guys to I wanted to get those wheels rolling real early. And literally I sent them out like at 2 in the morning on Saturday. Oh man. All right, let's take a look at this one over here. It's just kind of putzing around. But it's getting close to its average. Here, I'll put it over here because TPET's not really doing much. So this one's starting to putz around a little bit. It's getting closer to that volume weighted average price. You've got your free float, as you can see right here. you've got your average 3 month volume right here. And if you look over here, the volume right now, so it's pushing up against that already. So that's good. Debbie says HKD. HKD's absolutely not doing much right now. These were previous targets. You've got a gap that it created today. When it opened, it dropped, or when it opened pre-market, it opened. There we go, Andy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. And that is the prettiest 30-minute chart I've seen for a while. Consistent uptrend for a while now, trading in a little bit of a channel, and then it blew up today, amongst other things. Did a or I'm sorry, it blew up on Friday, and then this morning decided to take kind of a step back. Yeah, I know. I know. I caught myself. I caught myself quick. But yeah, then came back down here, found some support about $2. Currently under volume weighted average price. Breaks back over volume weighted average price, we should be okay. This is AMTD digital. It's ticker HKD, as you see on your screen there. But if it breaks through, I mean, you're looking probably 226, maybe 232 on that one. Let's see how my comments are doing here. If you noticed, I changed my picture on the YouTube here. Stock predictions, it went up to 70, so 76.26. That's what my percentage is, my accuracy on the Weeble, on the Weebles. All right, be careful. There's ticker again on which one? The one I was just talking about, Andy. That was HKD. I'm gonna go back to TPET, see how we're doing there. We're losing here, we're making here. We already took some profit here, so we're actually positive for the day. Not much, but we're positive. Being positive is all that matters to me right now, today. We're gonna make it Patriotic Monday. That's what we're doing. We're gonna make Patriotic Monday today. I think it's gonna be a tough day to make money. Fish hooker? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think it's gonna be a great day for scalping. Yep. Risky. Yep. I'm watching it. I'm watching it. We'll put it on the screen. It's right over here. There she goes again. There she goes again. There's a 30. Go back to 1 minute. Yep. But see, the people on the watch list already know what stocks I'm watching. It's risky. Yep. On the watch list. Funny, HKD not coming up on my scanner. It's not, because your scanner's probably a momentum scanner. It doesn't have any momentum. HKD, no momentum. Yep. Who here thinks that today should be Patriotic Monday? I think it should be Patriotic Monday. I think I should have shaved. I really needed to. I look a little bit like a rancher. I just need a little bit more color. Right? Damn battle. Battle is just playing with everybody's hearts and feelings. It's tugging on those heartstrings. It doesn't want to battle. I mean, it battled here, but then it lost. See, that's why I really should have actually put a another cell of 5 on there. But I like again, I'm messing around. I'm not even really doing much, but and shoot, profit's profit, and I could have taken some right there, but I didn't. So I'm just gonna set it right there, just to see what happens. Maybe it'll come right back for me. All right, here we go. I'm happy. I got my good coffee back. Yep, yep. I got my friends in here. I haven't seen Cree. Where's my girl Cree? She's not in here yet, huh? She went ice fishing over the weekend, so that was pretty cool. Unfortunately, she got skunked, but her friend caught a big fish. All we want, all we want is for battle to hold volume weighted average price. We don't want it to break down below VWAP. I hope I don't get restricted because I'm playing, patriotic songs. You never know you never know with TikTok. Mela, what's up, Mela? Mela says stack. Here is stack now. What is stack doing and why is it doing it? Mm-hmm. And where is it going? What's up, Graylin? Hell yeah, buddy. Come on, battle. Bounce off. Got a nice little doji right here. So this is it's a little bit of a doge on a downtrend. Obviously, it hit 1293 here and then traded sideways and more down right here. And then finally we got that doji. We had a little bit of confirmation. This candle will be your confirmation. What I would like this to look like for it to give me a little bit more hope is I would love this candle to close at about 1128, somewhere around there. Ruby, okay. See what protects your money, your trading account is levels. It's not really news, and we've all been proven right with that. It's levels because all it is like pretend you're a rancher and you're herding cattle. That's really all this is we are very predictable and we're all looking at the same charts. We're all looking at 30-minute, we're all looking at 1 minute to trade. And all it is algorithms bouncing up and down, playing with our emotions. And the emotions kick in and then that's when you get screwed, right? And I think that's pretty good on here. Sometimes I'll put 3 targets, sometimes I'll put 2, sometimes I'll put 1. The reason I do that is because I think it's going to get there. I'm not just going to throw out willy-nilly targets like these up here and say, hey, yeah, it's going to get to those. It could, but the likelihood of it's not very good. So that's how I look at putting my targets out if I really believe that it's going to get there. you know. So supposed to play this one. I don't know. Maybe I cued the wrong song. Oh man. Okay, Ruby. So there's stacks lined out for you. Play Battle Hymn of the Republic. Let's go, guys. Let's go. What are we doing? How about that TMDE though, huh? That was pretty good as well. Battle's still just kind of putzing around here. See, it did. It closed where I said I would hope it closed at. Well, actually, it closed a little lower, but that was the confirmation candle. It didn't work out. It didn't work out. This is now doing lower highs and lower lows. That's what it's doing. It's on the other side of this. It's on the other side of the wave, right? But still, I'm holding strong because I believe that if it can bounce off of the volume weighted average price again, then you got yourself a little double bottom and it's going to go back up. How true that is very, very not. I don't have 100% good feeling in my tummy. Boy, I'll tell you guys, something happened. There's only 41 people in here. Something happened. Could be with TikTok, could be with something else. I don't know. Maybe I TikTok off. That's okay. Remember, I'm always doing this on YouTube as well. This is like simultaneous live stream here. Ooh, stack just got stomped. Yep. I'm starting to realize something. And I guess I should have realized this a lot earlier too on stack and certain other tickers that let's see. In battle, you got to hold it. Come on, baby. Sorry, I got like four things in my head right now because I'm looking around. How's T-Pet doing for me, by the way? I haven't looked at that one for a minute. All right, she came back a little. She's still trying. Remember, this was Pumpy and Dumpy's stock. So, yeah. You know what? Let's do this. I'm curious here. We'll see. We'll see. How 48 people in this live react. All right. Good morning, Cree. Perfect timing. All right. How many people are actually going to share the live? I'm going to count. I'm going to count. Let's see if we get like let's see so that'd be a little over a fourth. So let's go. If 12 people share, I'll stay on the live. If not, I'm gonna go back to bed. Let's see how many people share the live. I will and have. Thank you. Okay, there's one. There's one. Night Owl just shared it. Cree shared. That's two. Risky shared. That's three. Risky shared. That's three. We got three so far. 47. Three. Fred Flintstone. he wrote shared. That Fred Flintstone needs to actually share. Okay, there's four. All right. Five, Graylin. Nice. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Lonely. Thank you. Six, Tommy Gun. See, this is fun. This is fun. This is great. We got six. We're halfway there. Oh man. I think Bubblehead just called me a shithead. He put SH. I don't know. I'm not really good with you know, with that. Debbie seven. Nice. Oh, you guys are awesome. Debbie seven. Thank you. Thank you, Cree. Thank you. We're getting closer. And T Pet's getting closer. Look what's going on. See, you guys are participating. You guys are sharing, and therefore the stock is starting to care. The stock is caring. Now that is not true information. I'm completely making that up that if you share, the stock will go up because it won't. But it just so happened that you guys started sharing and it did go up. A David Zavala. I don't know how to share. Um, well, if you're on the there you go. It sounds like a movie, LOL. Debbie Seven. Debbie Seven. You know what? That sounds like a naughty movie. I don't know about that one. I don't know. If you ever watched Friends and they're talking about the zones, and then Monica goes, seven, 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 seven. I don't know. Oh God. I need to work on my stuff. Oh boy. And I'm only saying that because I'm literally rewatching Friends when I'm at my uncle's house right now, and I'm looking at stocks, and it's been last week was it was tough to decide what to put out there for you guys. It really was, because the market's just been so fugazied. Right now, I think we're gonna start off March really nice and green. I think it's gonna be really good. The start of it. Come on, T Pet, get up there. I'd love to get out of you. All right, stack is stacking up. It's heating up. Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Where's stack? Where'd it go? Oh man, I gotta click over here. See, it's not popping up. It's not popping up, so I gotta type it in again. Weeble's been acting funny. Weeble's been acting funny. Hey, has anybody talked to Mark Fish? He was there and then he wasn't. I don't know what happened. I sent him a message and I sent him some money and then no more Mark Fish. No idea. You know, he's got medical issues like I do, so so I care and I worry. I have not talked to him. I'll be back and go watch some news. News. All right, there's Stack. Stack's about to hit that first target. What is Stack? I'm pretty sure we've played with it before. I'm just not in the right mind right now. Stack. Oh gosh, sign in. So 1 month ago, they announced the closing of 2.3 million registered direct offering. They've got no news right now. What does Stack do? Who does number two work for? I don't know why that popped into my head, but it did. Sorry. You guys are awesome. Look at that. 45 people in here. I think you guys did share the live. I think it was like just under 10 times. 10 different people shared. That's what I'm saying. Interesting stack. Yeah, interesting, right? What looks like looks like it's trying to stay above volume weighted average price. Battle's doing pretty good. It did bounce off that volume weighted average price there. Like I was thinking it would. Okay. So no, it's not interesting. This is I get it. So yes, stack is a good idea. Stack they're oil field equipment. That's what they are. That's what stack is. Stack is oil field equipment and services, but they're a China-based subsidiary. That's what it is. So be cautious, China-based subsidiary doing a nice little cup and handle here. Here's your cup, or you could even look at it as an inverted head and shoulder pattern. So here's your shoulder, here's your little head, there's another shoulder, and boom, right? Didn't quite get to my 70 cents though. Warren, USEG, yeah, USCG is currently at 144. It's 8.19 on the float. Volumes 14 million, average volumes 1 million. It's doing pretty good. Keep on sharing the love, guys. Keep on sharing the love. Here, I'll change this because it looks like gold's a little too much to ask for. Let's go for roses. Let's go with roses. Fuck it. No, I wish they had American flags in here. That'd be cool. I'd throw American flags in here. All right, lightning bolts. We'll do lightning bolts. Let's do lightning bolts. We'll do one of those. There we go. We're good. Then confirm. There we go. Okay, cool. All right. So 44 people in here. We got TikTok, we got YouTube, we got Ruby doing nothing, RBNE doing nothing, other stocks moving. Stack currently in battle. Battle's currently stacking up, trying to break through this 1130 crapshoot it's in. All right. What are you guys looking at? What are you guys watching? Other than me. Let's see. DFNS. Slowly starting to pick up some volume. Nothing crazy to look at yet. Mm, It's a T3 defense. It's defense. Defense. Go defense. Yeah. TPET, is it doing something? Am I finally green on TPET? Let's see. Oh, gosh, so close. Came close and then dropped down, and now it's coming close again. Come on, TPET. What's up, Big Frank? What are your thoughts on TPET? I like TPET. I'm in TPET. I think if it can break that 97 cents uh problem that it has, then I think it could run probably to about 120, maybe even a little bit more. But TPET has a problem. TPET has bag holders. One, quite a few, because TPET was one of those pump and dumper stocks, and so they pumped the stock and then they dumped it all over us. Yep. See that? See this? Look, it does the same thing, except the bad thing is it's going the wrong direction when it does it. So it spikes up. TPT is Trio Petroleum Corp. That's what TPET is. They've got a couple oil wells here and there, couple oil fields. Nothing crazy. Yes, be careful with that one. Yep. Yep. That's why small positions, but you can see that this thing spiked to 202 there, spiked to 229 there. Over here, 111, 110, 104. So if you notice, it got stuck at 97 cents. Why? Well, the solid dollar, right? The solid dollar, the psychological minefield of that. And currently we're sitting at 83 cents. So again, if it gets up to 97 cents, can't break it. I wouldn't hope for the stars on this one. um, but again, it's a micro cap you know, dumpster field basically. Stack didn't quite get that 68, didn't quite get that 70 cents, sorry. Double topped. I'd say support on this one would be about 52 cents. If it breaks 52 cents, it's probably going to fill this little tiny gap it created down here when it dropped down below before. Yep. Yes, user battle's been fun. Battle is still battling, which is cool. Double bottom, trading sideways, a little bit of consolidation here. Let's see if it just wants to take another little run at it. Because it was creating higher highs and higher lows, and then it started creating lower highs and lower lows. We'll see what it wants to do though. There we go. There we go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's do it. All right. Come on, battle. Come on, T-Pet. Get your pet butt up there. Oh, man. Oh, man, it's March. March is a fun time for me because it's my wife's birthday and my little guy turns 2. He turns 2. It's awesome. What's up, Gary? Good morning, DJ Vinny. Oh yeah, so if any of you guys know Mark Fish or you guys chat with him, send him a message, see what's up, see if he's okay. Cause like I said, I sent him a message. He had that bad day on was it Friday? He had a bad day on Friday, and he has a quail. He's got a quail thing, right? He's got a quail live. Yeah, so I sent him $100 in the Cash App because he said he lost about $100 worth of quail. So I sent him $100, and I don't even know if he got it because I got no response from him. So, and I can't see on Cash App if that if it worked or not. He's a nice guy. He's got a lot of shit going on. So try to help out as much as I can. Let's see. Stack. Stack could be doing a big double bottom. Bounced off that 52. It's at 56 now, so that's good. Thank you, Cree. Thank you, thank you. Check out DLXY. DLXY. I'm gonna put it right over. Yeah, I want to watch T-Pet too. So I'm gonna put DXLY right here. DLXY. Sheesh. Let's see what this thing is. DLXY, no news right now, at least none that I see. It's a 4.71 million float. Average volume is 48,000. It's done 678,000 already. So that's pretty interesting. Why? What's going on? Is it off of this news right here? Oh, they're holding a meeting. Oh no, they're probably going to be doing a reverse split. They're probably going to uh watch T-Pet after 8 a.m. I'm already watching it. DJ Vinny, I'm gonna be watching it. I'm gonna be watching it. I'm gonna watch it very closely. Oh boy. WTI. Let's see. So far, the ones that are doing something, battles trying to stay above $11. It's at 11.15 right now. TPET trying to stay above that volume weighted average price. Let's see. Indo's doing okay. Still above $8. I'm trying to break through $9. We'll put Indo right here because she's trying. She's trying right meow. Ba-da-doo-doo-doo. She is trying. All right, let's see. Battle again. Trying to just hold above $11. Just trying. It's trying hard. It's done decent volume. It's almost got the float. The float's 16.39 million. It's at 13.53. So we'll just keep on watching, see what happens here. It's 4:54, so in about 6 minutes we'll have crazy candles. Stinky Pinky. What's up, Stinky Pinky? Where'd you go? I saw you there for a minute. What? What? Your live is not eligible for recommendations and restricted in search results because it primarily directs people off platform. This is in line with TikTok live section under our community guidelines. Appeal. Oh, you gotta love TikTok. Oh, you gotta love TikTok. Yes, TikTok. I'm here for you because you pay me so much. Oh my God. I mean, why am I even doing TikTok? This is ridiculous. They push my buttons every time. They push my buttons every time. What's up, Stinky Pinky? Dude. Fireballs in the chat if you hate TikTok. Nope. HKD does not show up on my scanners. Well, okay, so yes, it does a little bit. It pops up every now and then, but it really doesn't. There you go. Hell yeah, Stinky Pinky. Oh, good song. Yeah, see, like right now it disappeared. Look, come on, no hands. Man, I'm sad. My one cup of coffee's she done. I really want another one. I think I deserve another one. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah. Oh gosh. I need to make a Jrockstocks cowboy hat. Go battle go. Did it go? Yes, it finally gonna take another stab at that 30, the 1130. It's what we're waiting for. It's going to be interesting. It's really going to be interesting. I think the world's in a weird place right now. Ooh, what did I just see here? Oh yeah, 5 a.m. candles are coming in soon here. That's why my scanners just went stupid. There you go. Come on, battle. Give it a good push. What do they call it? Lamaze? Come on. Do your Lamaze breathing. Just push. There we go. 1147. Come on. This is where it's got to break through next. This is 1156. Damn, she just can't do it. She just can't do it. She hit 1148 and got smacked. Stack just needs to hold 52. It's at 54 right now. It's pretty crazy. The scanners are pretty quiet right now. You feeling that too, Andy? Scanner's pretty quiet. I'm gonna go grab another cup real quick here. Another cup of coffee. Caffee. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I've been good. I was good all week. all week last week. I think it's time to be bad. I think it's that. Oh. So my kids flag football game, they were relying on him quite a bit this last game. But unfortunately they kept giving him the short route, and like he'd get open and the quarterback would just be going for the deep ball, which I don't know if that was the kid or what, but the coach definitely needed to work on that one. AERT. Since this one's green, we'll put AERT over here. Let's see what that is. Let's see what it's doing. Here's AERT. Volume's still real low, so I want to just jump in all willy nilly like. But yeah, so I was sitting there throwing the ball with my kid, doing inside runs, posts, teaching them that if you're in a zone, like hey, this coach is giving you these short little inside routes. Well, if you're there and you're done with your route, don't just stand there. Extend the play. So run around. So worked on that with them, and then we did 10-yard sprints just to make sure the kid gets off the line real fast because he's good. He's fast. He's got hands too. He can catch, and he's playing. I mean, he's 11, and the thing he's playing in is like, all right, look at T Pet's getting there. And the thing he's playing is I need some Baileys in my car. Yeah, yeah. I might pick some up on the way to my uncle's house. um, but yeah, the kids he's playing with, he's the youngest kid that's playing. He's 11, and he's playing with like anywhere from 11 to 14-year olds, and most of them are like 12, 13, 14. So I keep telling him he's got it. He just needs to put that little extra effort in, and practice throwing the ball with me and practice routes. He'll be fine. All right, so ERT, it spiked, and this is exactly why I said you don't just jump in all willy nilly, like, because it did take a shot to the dome. How about that watch list though, huh? Today's watch list pretty solid. I'll take it. Let's go TPET. Come on, baby. Are you guys seeing me take profits? Is that what's going on? It might happen again. What? 2 times in a row? No. We can't let that happen. Quick, quick. Somebody share the live. Quick, quick. Remember, TikTok's not helping me out at all. They're not sharing my live at all. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. They're not helping out at all. They're not happy that I'm playing, patriotic love songs. They're not happy. Oh, they're not happy. I'm gonna share my live. I'm gonna share it. How am I sharing it? How do I share it? I don't know how to share it on this stuff because I don't use any of that. Come on. DJ Vinny. Break 95 to break. No, it's got to break 96, man. It's got to break 96. 96 don't break. We don't go nowhere. We go home. And the Eagles fly. VG. Why is V? That's a huge float. Huge float. It's up $1.76 from 969. I love it. Come on, baby, push. I want to show Debbie that I can take profit 2 times in a day. Dab, I've had VG since around 650. Nice, good for you, Dab. Hey, what's up, Tan Master? How are you? How have you been? Long time no see. Hope you're doing good. Hope you're doing good. USEG. Let's take a look. And eagle fly. What's up, Taz? Missed me last week? I've been here. I was here last week. I was here. Didn't go anywhere. No, I was on YouTube. I was on YouTube. That's right. That's right. I was on YouTube. I wasn't on TikTok because the stupid ban or restriction or whatever it was. You know, they get those wild hairs up their booties. So I'm almost thinking I'm gonna take half of this. I think that's what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna take half. I'm gonna take half right here. We'll see. Let's go halvesies. Let's take halvesies. Look at that. Look at that. We're gonna do it. Yes, we took half. So there we go. We took 50 shares off the table. Now we've now profited twice. I know Debbie's out there screaming. She's like, yeah, J Rock, do it, do it, do it, do it. And I did it. Oh my god, I did it. You guys ready? Ready, YouTube? Here we go. I'm just okay. USEG, thoughts on USEG? Well, so this is typical. This is exactly what I told you guys. This is how they do this. So what happens is it spikes up, which it did, spiked up, broke through volume weighted average price, got a little top heavy there, did a double top here, came down, broke below volume weighted average price, now started using that as resistance again. All right, resistance, 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 and then support is your little red line, the 200 EMA on a 1 minute chart here. And now you're going to see this thing just bounce between the volume weighted average price and the 200 EMA. That's how that goes. Look at that, Debbie. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it go, Debbie. Ah. Oh yeah, can't forget. I got to put that back up. I can't forget. I got to put another sell up here, right? Because then I can drop it down nice and easy and just sell when I want. But we're good. We're sitting in profit now, so no problem, Night Owl. Anytime. Thank you. How you doing, Tan Master? What's new? How are things? How art thou? DJ Vinny says TPET 115. You think so, huh? You think so. Remember, we already looked at this on the 30-minute here. And remember, it always has problems. Look at this. 111, 111. Look at that. 108. Didn't even get there. 113. So I'm thinking 111. I'm thinking 111 is the next spot there on TPET. I wouldn't go as far as to say 115, but hey, if it wants to get there, whatever. Come on, breakthrough. Did I grab my coffee? Where's my coffee? Damn it. Breakthrough. Come on, USEG. Break through that crap. There we go. Go, 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 go. This is your sign right here, Night Owl. This is gonna be your sign right here. If it can't break through and it can't hold above this right here, this 157, it'll come right back down below the volume weighted average price and then test that red line again. It needs to stay above that. This is a 1 minute chart, but you see, I mean, it's had plenty of opportunities to stay above the volume weighted average price. This is one of them. So hopefully it doesn't want to drop back down below there. I'm just gonna move that up because I don't want that to trigger yet. You know, I think it'll trigger. DJ Vinny, 111.50. Let's go. I love it. I love it. All right. Come on, T-Pet. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Thank you. Hey, what's up, Love to Color? Let's go. So today is Patriotic Day. Oh yeah, I was gonna eat my coffee. Ah. All right, there we go. Oh man. Oh shit. What am I doing? What am I doing? Sheesh. Uh man. Whew. I almost screwed that up. Hmm. We do have a beautiful anthem, I think. I think our anthem is beautiful. Oh, what the heck? Sorry, guys. My cue got all screwed up here. Huh? Trying to fix it right now. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Hang on, hang on. Right here. There we go. All right. Well, so we're trying here. Oh God, slippery, slippery. Oh, there we go. Let's go. Nice run, 74 to over a buck. It is a nice run, right? That is a nice run. Do I think TPET is done? I don't. I think it's got a little bit left. I think it's got a little bit left. So TPET, higher highs, higher lows. TPET needs to hold, in my opinion, it needs to hold about 94 cents. In your opinion, what's best energy play for pennies? What's the best energy play for pennies? They're all pretty damn good, especially when we're in the times that we are right now. Um, Energy, I mean, it's wide open. I put out a thing on my Discord, or not on my, excuse me. I put a thing out on in my watch this blog of things to watch for right now, and that was put out on Saturday at like 2 in the morning. So my opinion's there. Um, I really feel like we're entering a different kind of market now. Um, and this is probably the best Monday I've seen for a while now. And fireballs in the chat if you agree. Take a look at TURB, Turbo Energy. That one's intriguing to me right now. TURB. There we go. It's a 2.67 million float, 789,000 shares traded so far. This looks like the beginning of something special. Oh God, I love saying stuff like that. Oh, so silly. Oh, that's a great song. There you go. All right, let's do TURB. Let's price this one out. Well, you got a little gap at 119, so that's where I'd say it's probably going to go. 119. Yeah, wrong one. Purple. There we go. So there you go. That. Then you got one at 130. Lots of resistance. Right about that 147. Oh, I'm looking at the asks and the bids on TURB right now, and it's getting a little interesting. See if he gets that first target there. Come on, baby. Keep on going. Three minutes ago, Turbo Energy helps industrial operators shield margins from energy price shocks as global volatility intensifies. That's the news on them. And there you go. There's the first target right there. 118. I've got that set at 119. There you go. There you go. Next one is 131. Yeah. Hey, I'm with you there. I'm with you there, Debbie. Come on, get that 131. That would be the second target, guys. Please do not forget to do this because if you don't do that, then you're wasting your time. There's 130. Target was 131. Second target was 131. TPET. Come on. Hold that blue line. Come on, TPET. Hold that blue line. you know, this right here. Which one was this one? This one here. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, that one right there. Little bit chicken fried. Come on, baby, get it. Mm, just right. Mm. Chicken fried. We'll be on a Friday night. Hey guys. All right, so I'm gonna cut this real quick here. I'm gonna a little bit of silence there. Okay. We're gonna do this. Right meow. We're gonna do a little bit of a silence right here. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right. 100%. You know, it's it's scary. It's scary, for the people that have family and um them themselves are, serving. It's scary. We've played with Iran before, and they're they're they don't believe the same things we do. They don't have the same beliefs, and I'm just gonna take my profits on T-Pet here. Just gonna take it. Um, they don't have the same beliefs as we do, so it makes things a little different. We're in a time and place where we do have a really strong military, which is good, but you know, people still lose their lives. I mean, what we had like three got taken from us, right? I don't know if I don't haven't watched the news recently, but there we go. I love that part of the song. All right, you see where it's at right now? You see this next area of resistance? So that's where it's at right now. It's bumping its head on that. Its next little area is going to be just above that on USEG, not far above it, but a little bit of it. And then you got 187. You can say that's probably gonna tap right there. Yeah, let's just do that. As you guys can see, we've played with USEG quite a bit. There we go. Yep. All right. As you guys can see, I really do give a shit. I'm very emotional when it comes to that. Like I said, I tried out to be a Marine, and I rebroke my ankle in boot camp, and that was pretty much it. So I signed up for 7 years and didn't get to do it. But I did meet a lot of cool people, so that was cool. There we go. Thanks, DJ Vinny. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, when I signed up, there you go. Hey, Mortarman. That's awesome. I was gonna be a machine gunner. And my recruiter screwed me. Yeah, I was gonna be a machine gunner. He screwed me. He's like, yeah, if you want to go in, you can go in. Infantry. Everybody's infantry. I mean, come on. But for you to go in, because I wanted to be logistics, but whatever, doesn't matter. But he said you can go in, but you're gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait a while. I'm like, okay, but machine gunners going in like in a month. So you can sign up for that. You can be in that. You can be a machine gunner. I'm like, oh sure, but you can switch your MLS real quick, right? And he's like, oh yeah, sure, sure, no problem. It's easy. Yeah, I found out it wasn't very easy. I didn't try, but I found out. People told me no, that's bullshit, full of shit. Hey, thank you, Bill Stanton. Nice tank mechanic. I had a buddy that got to work on the Harrier. There it is. Thanks, man. Thanks for your service, Bill Stanton. That's awesome. Man, I wish I had, well, I guess I still have just a drop of apple juice. That's about it. Just a drop of apple juice. I guess I'll do this too. Yeah, look, just a little drop. We'll do it. We'll do it. To our boys and girls out there, just a drop. That's all I got. Jesus. That's like, I almost want to lick the bottle. Just a drop. Little tiny bit. See it? It's in there. A little bit. Cheers. Here's to here's to all the men and women that served and gave their lives. Ooh. Even that little bit has a good little kick. Uh, Gotta get another one. Gots to get another one. All right, there we go. Look at TURB making a move. Almost got that third target. We got to find another target for TURB. It looks like it wants to go. That volume all of a sudden just boom. So the next target was 148. So let's see, right? Because after that, it gets really interesting. After 148, it gets pretty interesting where it can go. Actually, let me see something. It's a 4-hour chart. So it's going to have a lot of hard times at 160. Lots of problems right there. That green line, we're going to call that the green line. After that, I mean, it could get interesting. I'm not saying it's going to run really hard, but maybe 197. I think that sounds pretty good. It rings a puts in a good little ringing in my ear. We'll make that yellow. All right, go back to the 1 minute on TURB and let's watch it. So we hit the gap. We filled that gap. We hit the second gap. There's the second gap, this 131. And now it missed my third target by just 2 pennies. Look at this. It did a beautiful little double bottom here off of support, which was about 105. Look at that. Boom. Third target hit. Guys, please, please, please do not forget to take your profits. Please. Please, please, please. I'm going to wake people up on YouTube. Please, please, please. Let's go. Oh, man. Yeah, he's a good dude, too. I don't know if you guys seen that video where that military dude, uh, I swear to God, it's right. It's in San Clemente. Um, Military dude, I'm going to assume it was a Marine. But the guy that's pulling him back, I could swear on my left testicle that is my friend, the guy that I was talking about that worked on the Harrier. That was a mechanic. I could have swear to God that was him. I haven't talked to him for a long time. He got stationed out in Hawaii for a little while. He's like, dude, that was awesome. I'm like, yeah, yeah, sure it was, sure. Yeah, I was a little, I was a little bitter, but my wife, I swear, she thinks every day that I didn't get to I didn't get to become one of the few and the proud. This is a good song. Oh boy, look at AAOI, AAOI. So you get AAOI. Am I out of everything, or am I still in something? Oh, battle. I'm still in battle. Ooh, gotta pay attention. Still in battle, right? Yep, still in battle. Battle's taking a beating. Just this good. That's a big boy right there. Shoot. One of these days I'll have an account that's a big boy account. I can play stocks like these and not cry. But yeah, it's a good run. That's a good run from 62 to 115. That's nice. My brother got to be a Marine, but he broke his hip. Literally, like, yeah, how does a young kid break his hip, right? But he broke his hip and he got discharged. Well, so the joint, that little ball that goes into your hip, he broke that part. Like he fractured that part. So they kicked his ass out. Said peace. Battle is not battling right now. Battle is at volume weighted average price. It broke 11. I'm gonna call it quits on Battle for now. Just take my little profits there and get out. So if it goes up, you're welcome. Hey, you're welcome. Look at that. As quick as I sold, it went up. Yep. It's okay. It's okay, puppy. It's okay. Still looking around for other things here. TURB hit 158. So that's pretty rad. Let's put TRB back. So hit 158. Almost got that 61 that I said. That green line there. Yep. Little pullback. The MACD, Jesus Christ. The MACD is starting to come down a little bit. One first pullback, second pullback. 21 million so far traded on this beast. And it did have news, right? I did say it had news. Yeah, something about helping industrial blah 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 hoopity hoo ha. 21 minutes ago now. And we got USEG moving up a little bit, 159. Oh man, allergies suck. Keep looking for these early ones. Catch them early. That's so good when you get one of those. Feels so good. Feels so good. So good. Yep, USEG 162. We'll put USEG right here because it's still trying. Wow, Turb. Look at that. So MACD called it there. The MACD said, nah, I don't know if I'd get in right here because it's looking pretty weak. And sure enough, it decided to show you it was right. Guys, I cannot tell you how excited I am to get back in shape. Oh, I need my doctor to tell me, hey, heart's good. Heart's good, do what you want. This is a really good song. Yes. Yes, it is, Night Owl. Come on, USEG. Let's go. Push on through. Let's see you get that 187. Hey guys, hit the like, the follow, and the share. We're about a little under an hour uh, till market opens. A little under an hour till market opens. We're at 7,500 likes, and yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good. 46 of you in here, and we're doing this without TikTok's help. TikTok can suck it. Have you guys noticed anything different with TikTok since the new ownership? I haven't. It's same old bullshit. Nothing's changed. Sorry, I'm just evaluating some stocks here while we sit in silence. Well, at least we got a little music going. DJ Vinny says TPT bounce. Bounce with me, bounce with me. Hey, wait a second. I took profit 3 times today. What? That's not like me. I got to get into something, lose some money. Come on, let's see where can I get into to lose some monies? Hmm. Oh boy. All right, let's see. What else do I want to play here? There we go. That's a good one. Here's another legend. Another legend. I actually got to see this one in concert. Got to see this one in concert. It is awesome. Turb just taking a beating right now. Show that you see there. Took his glass of champagne. Ah, wrong button. Oh God. Oh. Let's see. Hey, what's up, Kenny Williams? Morning, brother. Good morning. You must be proud of that ticker you picked for us. It's killing it. Yep, I'm proud. I am proud. There's a lot of good stuff today, and it's all related to the stuff that I put out on the Discord. Very happy with the stuff that I did on Saturday to work on stuff for today. So it's all we could ever, it's all we can ever want, honestly, is for me to do my damn job and give you guys the stuff that I think is gonna work. And so, like, when I show you guys this makes me very unhappy, but it's okay. I have to show it to you because, well, it's true. So here we go. Take a look. So this is the website, right? Jrockstocks.com. Considering the TikTok's not, helping out any way, shape, or form, right? No shape or form. This is jrockstocks.com. Hey, 95 reviews. We just got a new one. So let's see. Jrock has helped me in my journey in understanding the stock market and making smarter decisions and following rules. Great info daily. Thank you, David. Appreciate that. That's awesome. That is cool. And then we got thanks J Rock for everything you do. You're a very honest man. I recommend people to subscribe. It's worth it. Sweet. Look at that. 2 new reviews in there. I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you very much, guys. And then the track record. So this is what makes me sad. This makes me sad because last week was a rough week. Shoot, the past 3 weeks were rough weeks, but to keep it straightforward with you guys, give you 100% transparency. I post my tickers on here, not the day of, because well, then I'd be giving you the watch list for free, and that's just for all the time I spend on this stuff with you guys, trying to answer every question that I get. Um, there has to be some kind of income, right? Considering I don't do anything else. So here's the accuracy, 49% accuracy. I mean, shoot, flip a damn nickel. Flip a nickel, you'll do about the same. But this isn't just, hey, did the stock go up? Did the stock go down? Like this one right here. This is the Weeble stats, right? 76. I gotta update that. It's 76.26 now, I think. Um, this is just saying whether the stock's gonna be bullish or bearish. Okay. This here is my take profits. And if it barely misses it, guess what? I don't show it. If it barely misses it, I don't put it as a green, right? So again, if you guys look, here's what happened in this one right here. This one killed me. 0 out of 6. Not one hit the target. Came close, but didn't hit the target, so I didn't put it. Okay, 2 out of 6, 3 out of 6. Like, this is a shitty week. It was where literally the week looked like 4 out of 6, 5 out of 6, 6 out of 6. You know, that's what it was. But these last few weeks have just been shit. CDIO 98%. Like, all right, well, CDIO uh was the best one. Like, we used to have 400 percenters up here, 300 percenters. Like, that's rough. Okay. The rules, you got to follow the rules, right? No bag holding. Oh man, I got to do that again. Gosh darn it. All right. Well, whatever. Let's focus back on stocks. But that right there, that's something that I'm not happy about. Thoughts on? Good morning, Omar. Kelly Sue. Good morning. Thoughts on OLOX? OLOX. Well, it's in an uptrend. See, Olanox. Let's see, what does it do? Subsidiary Giant Containers retained for development of New Jersey's newest state park. Okay. All right. So that was 4 days ago. They put out a little bit of news. It's 5.85 million on the float. It's only done 405,000 volume. So that's average. That actually is just plain average for what it does, because it's done not even half a million yet. It is in an uptrend a little bit. Let's see what the 30-minute shows here. It does have a gap, so possibilities, it is above $1. The possibilities that it gets to 123, the possibilities are there. So that's a possibility there, and if it can get through it, we're thinking about 47, 147. There you go. That would be number 2. Uh, That's about as far as I think I'm gonna go on that one. Mhm. Well, so here's battle. Now, possibilities of it getting back to 1293 after market opens, they're pretty good actually. As long as it stays above the volume weighted average price, it should be pretty solid there, guys. It should be pretty solid. No problem, Kelly Sue. Now, I will tell you, because you asked, let's go back in here real quick. What it has to hold, right? It has to hold the volume weighted average price. If it breaks through the volume weighted average price and breaks through 98 cents, it's probably going to come back down to this little guy right here. Probably going to fill this and then keep going. because it created two gaps. And in my experience, usually the gaps that it creates the day of get filled too. So don't hang on to it too long. We don't want you to be a bag holder. Doesn't look like there's, that it moves all that much. Obviously the like I said, the 3 month average is only 1 million shares. So, ooh, I just saw something. Where to go? Where to go? Where to go? Oh God. See, this is exactly what you don't want. You see this? Well, let's see. Candid Therapeutics announces merger agreement. Okay. Merger and to acquire Candid Therapeutics. Rally Bio to acquire Candid Therapeutics and merger deal. And right here under all stock merger agreement. Okay, so they're using stock to basically merge. They're paying with stock. Oh man. They pumped that news out. Boom, boom, boom. What is this one? This one is RLYB. RLYB. 51 minutes ago, they announced that merger. And just because I'm lazy right now, let's see what this says. Let's just figure it out. Dial it in. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Company B will be renamed to Candid Therapeutics. New ticker will be CDRX. Current Rally Bio shareholders will only own 3.65%. Candid plus new investors will own 96%. They also raised $505 plus million in new funding, giving combined company, uh, giving the company, wow, blah, 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 blah. And giving the combined company about 7 million cash to run operations through 2030. So they have room, they have money. So this isn't like a company that's dying, right? So that's good. Let's see. So their focus is the T cell engager medication for autoimmune diseases. Phase 2 trial starts in 2026. This is basically a reverse merger, so we know how that works, right? Rally Bio becomes Candid, heavy dilution for current RLYB holders, but the company is well funded. So very well funded, actually. So shoot, 700 and 700 million. Wow, that's pretty good. So remember, RLYB is going to change to CDRX. All right. I don't know if anyone's still on the live. I haven't seen a comment for a while on TikTok. Oh man. No idea. If you guys are on TikTok, put like eggplant in the chat. Still here, buddy. Okay, good. Thanks, Cree. Thanks, Fred. I'm sitting there going, huh, I haven't seen a comment for a while. I hope everyone's okay. Mm, that's so that's so bad. Hit 1545 and then just got a destroyed. Uh, yeah, it's just that's what you want to be careful for. You do not want to be caught in one of these. Chasing babies, lol. That's awesome. USEG, come on. Push, push, push. It bumped its head on 166, and currently it's just bumping its head there and there and there again. David Rose, David Zavala, thank you for the rose. David Rose. That is a good song. Uh, okay. I'm looking. I don't see anything else kind of, popping up just to get all excited about. EONR might be doing a double top on that 58 cents. If it can break through 58 cents, you might have another shot at that 65 cents on EONR. Indo's bouncing a little bit. TURB Turbo bouncing a little bit, 127. We played this one already. I don't know why it's back in here again. I'll play this one. This one's fun. Everybody loves fishing in the dark. I know I do. TPET still around that 92 cents. Battle 1111. All right, Turbo's coming back up here. Got Turbo on this side. Let's change that real quick. But no. I think I'm gonna put a bolo out on Mark. I think I'm gonna put a bolo out on the Discord. Yeah, I'm definitely worried. And I hope people know that BOLO stands for be on the lookout or be on lookout, right? What's up, buddy? All right. All right. Let's see, 6 a.m., guys. We are here. Graylin Sanders is back. I'm really curious to see what happens at market open with a few of these. Oh, you little gamer. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
Yeah, you're putting it on a charger while you're playing it. I know. I know how it goes. No.
Who said that?
Who said that? How dare they? They're saying hi to you. Hi. Now get out of here, kid. You bother me. Just kidding. Oh boy. All right. Ooh, yeah. This is a good song, but I don't have that problem. Oh, here's a good one right here. You're much wiser. Haven't watched the news? That's good. That's good. Here's another legend, right? Willie Nelson. Hey, here's a good joke. Here's a good joke. What happens when you give a politician Viagra? What happens when you give a politician Viagra? Here, I'll put it in the comments. I don't even know if I spelled that right, but I'll give you guys a little bit to answer that one. Let's keep it fun. They go to no, 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 nope. All right, here we go. I'll put in the comments. uh, they get taller. What happens if you give a politician Viagra? They get taller. Oh boy. Oh, that was a good one. I like that one. That's a Willie Nelson joke from Rising the Pole. Stand up for people. Yep. Yeah, he tells that one in Dukes of Hazard with what's his face? Sean William Scott and oh my god, the guy from frickin' I can't think. Yeah, Johnny Knoxville. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Poof. And this is what we try to avoid, guys. We try to avoid, you know, being, you know, what the song is. I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. All we got is TPT and TURB. That's it. Right, right meow. Market opens in about 26 minutes. And remember, guys, if anything ever happens to me here on TikTok, I'm also on YouTube. So just remember that. And if you're not following me on YouTube, then something's the matter with you. It's easy. It's the same thing. It's Jrockstocks. That's it. Makes it easy for you guys. Ah, come on, TPET. Let's go break that dollar again. The DJ got a good one right there. DJ caught it. He said he got back in at like 87 cents. So he's taking a good little ride there. He's a little more risky than I would be on that one. I know where that one's been. Swear to God, something's going on with my little my little hub here because my monitor, my right monitor just went toast. Let's see if this will help it. Let's try that. There you go. Sweet. Yeah, I think it's my, what's it called? My little dock. There we go. My dock. So here we got turbo, and here we got TPET. TPET is pushing that dollar again. We'll see what happens at open. I think it'll be interesting though. Sorry, answering questions. Oh boy. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Honestly, it does make trading a lot more fun, but it does it does cost me a little bit of money because I fool around, I goof around with you guys, and that I should stop it, but I'm just so damn playful all the time. This is a good song too. And TURB just broke volume weighted average price. It's right here. Next stop, if it continues to go down, it'll find some support at 112 and then a dollar. But right now, with what's going on here, this is looking a little weak. If you were to forget that it ran to 158 and you were just to draw yourself some little lines here, like let's say you just drew it from here to, I get new glasses, my eyeballs are a little foggy. From there to there, and then you took this and you drew from here to here, you're almost on a good path. It's almost a good trajectory. I'd like it if this was just a little bit higher, something like that. You'd be in a little bit of a channel. Okay. This is when you met Hubs. What? Today? March 2nd at 6:08 a.m. Morning. I woke up early for that TMDE move and caught 350. Look at that, John. Hell yeah, dude. Yep. That was also on the watch list. Yeah, TMDE was a watch list stock. Yes, it was. Yes, it was. So far, the watch list, three of one, two, three of six, three of six, and I haven't checked the other ones yet, but three of six hit all three targets. Oh, the song. Aha. All right. What what car was he driving? Because I know you're into cars too. Was Hubs into cars? White Tacoma. How was the back seat? Ah, ah. Oh man. Oh, look at TPET. Look at TPET go. I used the tailgate. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. See that's a good woman right there. That's a good woman right there. Oh man. TPET broke out, hit 109. That was a pretty good move there. That was a pretty good move there on that one. So again, on this one here, if you were to just forget about this little breakout here and just watch it, it's trading in a channel. So if it breaks this, it's gonna dump. If it holds, then it should bounce between here and here and at some point again break out. I think maybe when we get into open, as long as it gets back above volume weighted average price, I think it was a good idea. Um, if it doesn't get back over volume weighted average price, then market opens, and I think this thing is more than likely going to dump on TURB. TPET. Well, what we know from the past on TPET is that it's very well played. A lot of people are playing with it. There is a lot of volume. It's already done 143 million when it does an average about a million in 3 months. That's its average, 1 million shares traded. So yeah, that's right. So taking small profits is how you survive penny stocks. Okay. Everyone talks about catching a 200% runner and 1,000% runner, and nobody talks about the 30% fades, the offerings, the halts and reopen and 40% lower, the drops, um, rug pulls, volume dries up, the fades. No one talks about that stuff. Um, the reality of penny stocks is that most penny stocks are dilution frickin' machines. That's that's really what it is. Um, Most spikes are liquidity events. They're not long-term moves. Most parabolic stocks they retrace 50 to 80%. I mean, shoot, even on the lives that I've done with you guys, you see a stock freaking explode and literally just boom, target after target after target. And then liquidity dries up and the thing goes from exploding to boom, a whole dollar, 1 minute candle. I mean, shoot, we've seen it even worse because in pre-market and after hours, there are no halts. The only halts that come is if there's news pending and like big news pending. But other than that, there's nothing, right? Um, so if you're consistently taking 10 to 25% base hits with obviously you got to be very very nice TPET, right? Um, Obviously you got to consider your size, your position, obviously. Um, I mean that's basically it, your size and your discipline. If you stick to the rules, have small positions, you won't get emotional, you won't get crazy, right? Sometimes when we load up in some of these stocks, like a dollar stock. Okay, if you have a $5,000 account or something in that range, you could buy a crap ton of shares. This thing goes up, 10 cents, and you make 200-300 bucks. Okay, who doesn't want to make 200-300 bucks extra in maybe what an hour or two of the morning? Sure, why not? That's extra money, right? We can play with that. Shoot, that's people's salaries. Um, but yeah, so let me get back on track here. Yeah, okay, so I talked about size and discipline. Again, the size matters. And I'm not talking about eggplants. I'm talking about stocks, penny stocks especially, because people will load up and then they'll get blown out. Um, so size and discipline, and that literally that will be your long-term win. I have heard certain creators say that, hey, it's not about taking those small profits. And I don't know where they would get that. Sure, there's times where it's like all you're taking is small profits and then you get extremely greedy. Hey, 6:15. All right. You get especially greedy on Fridays
because you've been doing so good all week, sticking to the rules, sticking to your plan, and then Friday comes and it's like people that come to Vegas. You just lose all inhibitions of being good people. You just say, "Fuck it, let's go," right? Pedal to the metal. Let's see how many bottles we can drink, kind of thing. Um, so, anyways, so there's that. So, 10 to 25% base hits on penny stocks, you're winning. You're winning. You're surviving, and that's where it's all at. Okay, so what blows up accounts? It's not small profits, obviously. It's refusing to take the small profits. Greed turns green into red very quickly. Let's see. Hope, obviously, being hopeful that the stock will return back to where you got in. That's just putting fuel on a fire that dies out. It's like you're pouring water on a fire. Okay, um, you're going to lose with hope. Hope does not work with stocks. I've explained to you guys that the market is against us. The market is set up for us to be the liquidity that these bigger guys need. That's what we are to them. Okay, they pump out bogus news and we all jump because we see, oh, hey, they cured cancer. Oh, let's go. This thing's going to fly. $1,000, right? Nope. Doesn't happen. Runs about 50 cents, a dollar maybe, and then it takes a dump. And when it dumps, it literally goes right past that red line, goes right back to that little spot right down here and takes all your money. So small profits really work. Hope turns into bags. Ego keeps you from processing the it's like it's going to go down. You see it. You're literally looking at it. You're like, it's going down. Oh, I see it. It's going to go all the way down the red line. But yet you say it, you think it, but you don't press that sell button. So that's funny. Um, if you take your small profits, small profit after small profit, it compounds. What else? What else? What else? Small losses protect capital. Again, that book that I told you guys about. I told you about the biggest loser wins, and I'm not talking about or the best loser wins. I'm not talking about the show, The Biggest Loser. Um, what else? Capital keeps you in the game. That's yep. Uh, I put a bunch of little points that I wanted to talk about before the live goes off. Because I want you guys really we're today's the first day of the month for trading. I want you guys to do really well this month. I know some of you were saying, "Hey, J Rock, that was awesome. Last week was great." I did not have a great last week. I actually screwed up a couple times. I play around, I play around, I play around, and then when it comes to actually trading myself when we're not on the lives, I play around too much, and then I get smacked. I get clapped. So I put down a couple things that I wanted to talk about. Again, small profits was one of them. Position size discipline, taking your losers faster than you do, keeps you alive. What else? What else? Protect capital. Talked about that. Um, the people that start off the right way, and I'm talking about the beginners that don't know what the hell they're doing. Honestly, the number one thing that I could say is going to keep you guys alive is keeping your position size small and not getting greedy and discipline. Follow the rules. I put up 7 rules on my website. Those rules keep you alive. Okay? They'll help you to not blow out your account. Um I mean that's pretty much it. And to me that's the truth about trading penny stocks. That's how you survive, you know? Let's see. Cree, rules saved my ass last week. Damn straight. J Trader, they're all like that, man. They're all like that. And you know as well as I do, that exchanges, so the Nasdaq, it's for profit. Okay, they love stocks that are ready to be delisted, right? They love those because they get to charge them fees, and then they keep them on. They don't follow their own rules. Okay, and those meetings that they have, those meetings aren't documented. We have no transcripts from those meetings that they have, behind closed doors. There's no recordings of them. So we don't know. We have no idea what's going on, why they're being why the stock isn't being delisted, because the exchange takes the money. It takes the filing fees, it takes the penalties, it takes, you know. So like when Mullen got to stay on so many times and do all those reverse splits. Yes, because they're making money off of them. They don't want to lose their cash cow, right? That's their cash cow. They're making tons of money off of them. Not only that, but they're making money off the people that are trading that damn stock. So keep that in mind when you're trading. If you get into profit, like somebody asked me earlier, actually at the beginning of all this, somebody asked me at the beginning of all this, hey, I'm up 29%. Should I take my profit? I can't tell you to take your profit. I can tell you take your profits. Like I can just in general say take your profits. But I can't tell you, hey, on this certain stock, go ahead and take your profit right here. I can't do that. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't advise people on shit. All I do is create entertainment for you guys. I help you guys get through the trading day in the morning. That's it. That's what I do. So I'm on live Monday through Friday from 4 a.m. to about 6 Pacific Standard Time, 6:30. Sometimes I get a little long-winded and I stay a little longer. It's not financial advice, guys. This is entertainment only. It is a little bit of education. It's a lot of good music and a little bit of drinky, and that's pretty much it. Lots of patriotism. So if you don't like the USA, probably shouldn't follow me. You should probably stop following me because you know I bleed red, white, and blue. So that's that. Um, but yeah, guys, market opens in 8 minutes. So take your profits, take your profits, take your profits on the way up into strength, not into weakness. As TLC says, don't go chasing waterfalls because there's rocks and shit down there. But yeah, so that is the truth about trading penny stocks. You gotta be diligent. You have to be disciplined and take your profits when you have them. Um, so far today, just screwing around, I took profit 3 times. Debbie's like, "What? Wait, what? What did you do? You took profits 3 times?" Yes, yes, I took profits 3 times. She's probably not yelling at me today. She's probably like thumbs up. She's probably, she's like, "That's my boy. That's my boy." Where you at, Debbie? Thank you, Sheer Tarar. Thank you for following. That's cool. We have 38 people in here. We hit 10,000 likes. So hey, we didn't get up to 25,000, so that means no live tomorrow. So I'm off. I don't have to do a live tomorrow. So that's awesome because we didn't get to 25,000 likes, and I've been on since 4. I literally got on at 4. So, yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Get to take the day off tomorrow. Woo! I don't think there's no way in hell that you guys can get to 25,000 likes in 6 minutes. You guys have 6 minutes. I don't think it's gonna happen. There's 40 of you in here. So if each one of you gives me 100 likes, that's only gonna be 4,000. So that puts you at 10,000. That puts you at 14,000 likes. It's not even close. Good luck, guys. Oh man. Oh jeez. Let's see. Let's see. My my friends and family tell me I'm good at guilt trips, so oh man, I'll gladly take the day off from doing the live tomorrow. Shoot, I'm good with that. Oh, stretch, stretch. Ah. Your head hurts bad? Drink water. Go do that. A little bit of Motrin. Oh man, you guys are trying. Come on, you got 5 minutes. Ain't no way. 5 minutes and there's 42 of you in here. Ain't gonna happen. I don't know. I don't know. It's so hard to concentrate. Dude, headaches suck. Jack Giff, TPET. So TPET, I put a target on here. This is a previous target. But the possibility of it getting back to 154, it's there. I just watch it at open. If at open this thing decides to break through volume weighted average price, which currently is sitting at about what 80, let's see, 86 cents. If it breaks through that, then it's going to be in trouble. Considering what's going on in the world right now, I think TPET has a chance to hit that 154. But again, just pay attention. Market open, it's going to get jacked with quite a bit. Can't see the screen's too small. You know, you can flip your phone sideways and you can actually zoom in, I think. Maybe not, I don't know. But you can flip your phone sideways and you can see it better. Yeah, currently it's doing a cup and handle. So cup and handle, the way that works is on a cup and handle, you want it to break. Whoops. You know what? I can just draw it. I'll just draw it. I haven't done that for a minute. Where'd that thing go? Where is it? Paintbrush. There we go. So this is what you want it to break right here. Okay, this is your cup. Okay, here's your handle. Okay, and then typically you don't want it to go all the way down to the bottom here. You want it to stop like right there. This is a little deep already. That's a lot of drawing, right? You don't want it to get past a certain point because then the cup and handle doesn't work. Okay, and this is a 1 minute, so it is a little harder for it to work on that. So, anyways, we'll see if the cup and handle works out on this one. I forgot to hit escape there. TPET. The crap part about a cup and handle on a little breakout like that, the crap part about it is it could be a double top. And all you're doing is waiting. You're hoping that it works out, right? Oh my God, you guys are Jesus, Cardinal. Thank you for the lightning bolts, Cardinal. That's awesome. Wow, you guys got to 20,000 likes like that. We have 1 minute left. We're not at 25,000 likes. Oh God. Oh man, you guys 21,000, 4 minutes. You got 4,000 to go and you have less than a minute. Dude, what? That's insane. Oh man. You guys are coming close. You guys are coming close. That's a valid effort. I'll give you that. I'll give you that for sure. All right, guys, market's about to open. Remember, take your profits on the way up, not on the way down, because when you're going down, you're getting emotional. So you're chasing it. Thank you, Cardinal. Appreciate all the lightning bolts. That's awesome of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Guys, you're at 23,000 likes, 2,000 more, and you guys are good to go. Market opens in just a couple seconds. You guys are good. You guys are good. Market's open. You guys hit 24,000 likes. So even though, there you go. Literally just hit 25,000 right now. So, all right, live's on tomorrow. You guys did it. You deserve it. You guys are great. I appreciate you guys. All right, guys. Have a great day. Pay attention to energy stocks, defense stocks, drone stocks. If you don't know, go to like I don't know. There you go. Look at that go. Seeking Alpha. Go to Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha will put the stuff different sectors. It'll put it all together for you. I have a link on the website if you want to use that. I think you get like 10% off all that. You guys killed it. 26,000. You guys killed it. So live tomorrow, 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Don't be late. I'll try not to be. And we're gonna end it with. I would say we'd end the live with with a Jrockstocks song, but but I think we're gonna play something else. I think we're gonna play something else. Here, let me just back up right here real quick. We're gonna end it with let me find it first. Oh, right here. I don't know why I'm having so much trouble finding it. There you go. Here we go. We're gonna end it with this. Come on, baby, get that target. Get that target. ONDS. Hell yeah, let's go. We're gonna play this song right here. Red, white, and blue. Let's go. Check it out. I'm just a middle-aged Middle Eastern camel herd. Oh, you gotta love this song. Come on now. What do you think of BURU? What do I think about it? Let's see what I think about it. What do I think about it? Well, it opened up. It opened up. It opened up. What did it go to there? 52 cents. And what was it? I know we were waiting on something, right? A contractual JV agreement with Maddox Defense to develop commercialized production system to manufacture drone component. Well, I've known that BURU screws around a lot. Um, so for me to say that I like it because of drone stuff, I'd be lying. I would be lying. Um, it's got a huge gap that it literally created on what was that Friday? On Friday, I think, or when did it close? Or when did it open back up? Because it was locked up for a while. I can't remember. I can't remember right now. But yeah. Oh man. So if I were to be a bet man on BURU, I'd say it's going to mess around with the little purple line, right? So 44 cents. Right now, it doesn't look good because it dropped below the volume weighted average price. Usually, I look for stocks at open to stay above the volume weighted average price. A little pullback would mean it pulls back a little bit. This looks like it's pulling back quite a bit. BURU, I am not a fan of. Not a fan of. We'll see what happens. Hey, if you looked at the levels, if you literally went and did a 30-minute chart and looked at the levels and said, okay, well, look where it's at right now. So 32.95, I'd say that that's probably going to be a good spot to decide whether I want to stay in it or not, that kind of thing. Technically 30 cents. ONDS is doing good, Cardinal. ONDS doing a good job there. Let's go. Let's go. Rockin' right. So you got a little resistance coming up here at that 1140, 1150. 1148. Yeah, be careful. There's a lot of resistance there. Oh God. So on a 30-minute chart, this I love seeing this right here. Look at this. Look at this. Reversal, reversal right there. Confirmation. Kabam, kaboom. And it ran there. Damn, I love that. I love seeing that stuff. When patterns actually work out. Unfortunately, that was a while ago because yeah, the market's been kind of weird. But anyways, guys, I got to get going. 5 minutes over. You guys did great. There's going to be a live tomorrow. You guys hit 26,000 likes. TURB halted up. Nice. Good stuff. All right, guys. Pay attention. I'll be sending stuff out later today. Again, you know, obviously the watches comes out, but I'm going to try to find some hidden gems that could possibly do some really good things within a week or two. So here you go. Look at that. You're right at your resistance area on ONDS. I'll give you the next target on this thing, Cardinal. 1232. That's a good spot for it. Yes, it is. So 1232. That's a good spot. Remember, $12 is a psychological level of resistance as well, even though you're up in the you know, it's above in the double digits. So just be very cautious. Take your profits on the way up. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. No greed, right? Ondas invests 10 million in World View. Okay, cool. Sorry, just reading some stuff. All right, guys. Again, have a great day. Enjoy, you know, enjoy it, everything. Enjoy life. It's great. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out. Thank you guys on YouTube. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you. And if you haven't yet, thanks for watching, right? If you're hungry for more winning plays, smash that like, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to stop bag holding and start winning. Remember, taking your profits is a good thing, even if it is a couple dollars, right? The only way you lose in trading is when you don't take your profits. If you lose because you took a small loss, that's okay. That is okay. That is how you survive trading penny stocks. Again, thank you guys for being on there with me. Thank you for sharing. I don't know if you shared or not, but I think you did. This thing doesn't tell me if you did. So, so I appreciate you guys hanging out. Have a great day, and I will see you guys later. Peace.